How does lightning actually work, and why is it so powerful? The answer hides in a massive electrical storm in the sky that can reach temperatures hotter than the sun's surface. Inside storm clouds, tiny particles of ice bump into each other as the wind moves them around. This causes a separation of electrical charges. Positive charges gather at the top of the cloud, and negative charges collect at the bottom. When the difference becomes huge enough, electricity leaps through the air to balance the charges. This leap is lightning, a powerful electrical discharge you see flashing across the sky. Lightning is incredibly powerful because it superheats the air it passes through to about 30,000 Kelvin, 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. This extreme heat causes the air to expand rapidly, creating a shock wave we hear as thunder. The massive energy released in just a fraction of a second can power cities if harnessed, but it's also why lightning can cause so much damage. Lightning doesn't travel in a straight line but zigzags as it searches for the easiest path to the ground or another cloud. It often strikes the tallest object nearby, like trees, buildings, or lightning rods. This sudden release of energy can ignite fires, disrupt electrical systems, and pose serious dangers to people and animals caught outside during storms. So lightning is a powerful electrical surge born from storm clouds filled with charged ice particles, heating the air hotter than the sun and creating thunder. Next time you see lightning, you're witnessing one of nature's most intense displays of raw energy. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.